Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the pound yen update and update about the target. If you guys remember that in the recent, setup on pound yen, we were expecting a sharp breakout on it. All right, and pound yen to reverse the trend. Okay, this previous wave to reverse. Okay, so let's look at the previous video analysis and then we're going to talk about the update and what we may see next on the pound yen. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward the video so that you can watch it quickly. Right, so let's go. Hello and welcome back. Hope you are good, doing well. So we are having pound yen. Pound yen is setting up for a breakout opportunity ahead of the Bank of England rate decision, FOMC and ECB rate decision. Okay, so you are simply looking price to rise very aggressively for upside. And if I'm going to remove that and I'm going to remove those moving wave lines, right, then this is the wave which we have already got over there, okay, from the floor. And you are simply looking your short-term target at 41. All right, so 41. So price almost already on its way towards the 41 after this previous impulse. All right, but right now I'm anticipating to go slightly more higher. Okay, and price to reverse or retrace of this previous impulse and visit the 70. All right, 70 or at least 61. All right, of this previous drop. Okay, so hope that makes sense. What's the longer term target on it? Okay, so if I'm gonna bring my wave lines back on it and I'm gonna look at the price. Okay, then the price is going to be this at least 61 or 70. All right, so price is going to be the 155 or 155.50. Okay, longer term target. So that's the longer term target and short term target on lower time frame. Let's talk about the price where you should pay attention for the long opportunity. Okay, so price is already trying to form corrections over there for breakout for upside. Okay, we had that correction. Price trying to this correction. All right, so price was trying but did not and went lower. All right, so we were expecting one more leg to the downside at that time, if you remember. All right, then went into an ABC formation. All right, so this ABC formation. Okay, and then trying to push higher but still struggling, went lower because that there is rate decision on dollar and on pound as well this week. Okay, so if I'm gonna make it more simple for you, all right, and gonna draw these two lines, then this is what you are looking. All right, a sharp aggressive breakout. Okay, so it's gonna be slightly hard for you to chase the buy opportunity over there at the high, the current price. Okay, breakout and continue, or drop for another time, test that previous low, and then continue to keep pushing more higher. Okay, hope that makes sense now. Okay, and it's clear the formation. All right, so this flat formation may appear over there. Okay, another leg lower we may see. Okay, and this is the price where you are paying attention for buy if you are already not into the price. For long within these areas. Okay, so you are looking for the price to test that and then again aggressively rise. Okay, and price shouldn't break aggressively below this 149 area. As long as price is going to stay above that, the buy opportunity is going to be valid for upside. Okay, if we don't see this one more leg lower and price break up aggressively for upside, okay, then you are paying attention during the decisions on these small corrections. Okay, if I'm going to remove that and going to pull out this trend line, okay, then you're paying attention on these 15-minute corrections and looking for the price to break out aggressively and continue its trend for upside. Hope that makes sense. All right, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye. All right, so that was the previous video analysis. Let's draw some fib lines again on it and figure it out that where is the short to medium term and longer term target. Okay, so we as told in the previous video analysis that we are expecting it to retrace. All right, retrace at least up to this wave. Okay, retrace up to 60 or 70, 618 or 70. Okay, 70 or 618. Okay, so it's retracing hard after the Bank of England rate decision. There is the interest rate and surprise the market, and it is breaking up very aggressively for upside. Okay, and we can say that this ABC move is just simply heading for another leg higher. Okay, so this 41 target which was being shown in the previous video setup, okay, this is almost reached. All right, so price even has gone beyond that 41. Okay, 41 of this previous impulse it has gone. So we have seen even, you know, pullback, yeah, on lower time frame, 15-minute pullback, bit deeper, didn't test that flat, you know, flat formation low, and just simply had for the next wave after the FOMC rate decision, and today just simply going, you know, flying, we can say that, after the Bank of England rate decision. All right, so short-term target was that, medium-term target was 41 of this previous impulse. All right, and if you are already in, you caught that trade from the lows. Yeah, even I have told you in my weekly market outlook that you're paying attention in these areas, in these prices for the pound yen to reverse. All right, so I hope that you are already caught that trade, and yeah, so your short-term target is reached, and you are, you know, targeting for the medium term. All right, so which is 6-1, or in best case scenario go all the way back to that 78% retracement of this previous impulse. Okay, so that's a bit far away. Yeah, 41 reached, and this is also slightly far away. Okay, but the way price is just rising, it's very, very aggressive. Okay, so what you are expecting from the pound yen after having such you know, strength on it? Okay, so you are expecting another correction. Okay, another correction gonna be over there very soon. As long as price keeps rising, you are not doing anything, not looking at anything, you are just simply, you know, looking for this to just keep climbing higher. Okay, but once price gonna complete its strength, you are looking this to go in and into another correction. Okay, and that other correction can appear over there from you know, this previous top. All right, so 50, 55, 50, as said in the previous video analysis. All right, 50, 55, all right, 155 or 150, within those areas. Okay, so is it possible to still trade on this chart on lower time frame? Yes, it is possible. What you should do, you should watch for another correction over there, similar like these previous ones. All right, and you are looking those corrections to just keep breaking up all the way up to 155. All right, so hope that makes sense, how to look for those corrections. Okay, so price to come back within these moving averages again. Okay, if it comes, then you are looking for it to continue. All right, so moving averages to go there and continue. So if you haven't caught, you still can catch, you know, small moves for more upside. If you caught that, just simply enjoy it, and you are looking this to continue to keep pushing more higher. Hope that makes sense. We'll see you back again in another analysis. Until then, bye.